Hi my friends, today I'm gonna give you a review for the Nature Spell Rose Potion Face Cleanser and Makeup Removal as well. This one have aloe vera, sunflower oil and cucumber. So as you can see, my skin is not too good. So let's start this one. I take that much cleanser. Oops. And I'm just gonna cleanse it because my skin was very dark today because of sun. I get a kind of sunburn as well. So as aloe vera is very good for skin, so I said let me use this one, and I'm gonna show you the result as well, so you guys can see. And ordered this one from Nature Spell. There's a moisturizer product from Nature Spell. Nature Spell have very nice stuff, so I'm gonna show you the result more quickly, guys. I need to do my cleansing, every second, third day. So this is the best cleanser I have ever used it. Always do the cleansing in the round circle, as you can see here. I'm not pushing too much, it's very soft hand. You have to massage with the gentle hands. No need to rub your skin. Always do it for your neck as well, otherwise your neck will be different and face will be different color. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the result. It's not even 2 minutes now. Just taking a little bit water as well. As you see, I took just little bit cleanser. I'm gonna show you the result, guys. You can see. So there you go. Nice and clean and very soft skin, as you can see that. So I'm gonna put the link in my bio. You can click it and order that one.